don't care what we gotta say. We're just part of the show. Professor, we're okay. Don't tell these bastards anything. You think I have a sentimental attachment to them? You're as foolish as you are mad. A lot longer than expected. But if 4,000 years of life has taught me one thing, it is patience. When I get out of here.
That is a mistake. Thinking that you'll get out of here.
Hey! Need some water in here? Something to drink, a little thirsty. Sandwich would be nice. Turkey and ale. You have ale in Russian? No. This is America didn't eat last meal. The communists really sucked. What are you doing, Boy Scout?
Yes, Boy Scout. What are you doing?
Nothing compared to what I did to your mother last night.
You were quite a mountain.
What is she? You're killing him!
That's it.
But the colonel will think that we're cheating him.
I'll tell you how to stabilize Firestorm. Just let them live. Please. How does it feel to be daddy, man?
Take the next breath.
You can be down here, Comrade. I was ordered to take this corpse to the incinerator. I wouldn't do that if I were you. Dr. Vostok used him for one of her smallpox weapons trials. Highly contagious.
We get to Stein then.
Yeah, I'm not going.
That's the plan.
That's Red's plan. My priority is Nick.
Fine. Forget it. Some sort of code. Crap.
Anytime, assassin.
All the dumb things I've seen in my life. You get that guy to Peter and takes the cake. Welcome. You think you proved something up there? Prove I wasn't scared. Prove you need a great Madonna. Did a big deal again.
Some things are more important than fighting. Saying especially principles. Team. Must be something you want to die for.
Perfect school.
Nothing's too nice. How we define score.
I'm sorry to inform you, Captain. The probability of the United States losing the Cold War has risen to 99%. Star City, the seat of the resistance, is predicted to fall in 2003.
Sarah.
You mentioned the quantum splicer earlier, Professor. Professor Continental in the decision.
I think so.
The future is cementing. We must extract Stein before he enters the lab.